First Friday of the Month Devotion. The 12 Promises of the Sacred Heart to St.Margaret Mary Alacoque. Our Lord Jesus Christ appeared to St. Margaret Mary between 1673 and 1675. Among the words spoken to her, she heard Jesus make 12 promises to those who would respond to the pleading of his heart and make an effort to return to his love. These promises are the following: I will give them all the graces necessary in their state of life. I will establish peace in their homes. I will comfort them in their afflictions. I will be their secure refuge during life, and above all, in death. I will bestow a large blessing upon all their undertakings. Sinners shall find in my heart the source and the infinite ocean of mercy. Tepid souls shall grow fervent. Fervent souls shall quickly mount to high perfection. I will bless every place where a picture of my heart shall be set up and honored. I will give to priests the gift of touching the most hardened hearts. Those who shall promote this devotion shall have their names written in my heart, never to be blotted out. I promise thee, in the excessive mercy of my heart, that my all-powerful love will grant to all those who communicate on the first Friday in 9 consecutive months the grace of final penitence. They shall not die in my disgrace, nor without receiving the sacraments. My divine heart shall be their safe refuge in this last moment.